Hi guys, today's date 26 of intraday backtesting. So today's date is 16th September and it's 1 o'clock. I already took trade and exited with 30 points profit. So today we got 30 points profit on Nifty. So let me tell why I didn't trade it in a Bank Nifty. So this is Bank Nifty chart of 30 minutes. As you can see, yesterday it got breakout here and it was closing here. So today it opened gap up and there was no gap filling. It just went all the way nicely to above and it's so bullish, you can see all green candles. So I was looking for so this is the nearest resistance zone. So I was looking for to take trade somewhere here after this breakout happened, but I couldn't get at the right time. If you see in 1 minute time frame, yeah, let me remove this. So as expected, it opened a gap. I mean, as expected, it took resistance here, and it went all the way down here till here. So my first plan was to take trade. I mean, to take long position here. So this was acting as a strong support zone. This area. So this was the support zone. What I expected in the market was like this. So once I took resistance, it will come down here, maybe here, and then it will take support, and from there it can go up. That's what I thought. So my first trade would have been like this. So after this, I would have after some kind of like firstly there is a support zone. Second, after a breakout, I would have take position here with 60 points. Yeah. So this would have been a nice RR, and of course not till there. Maybe this zone, this level, somewhere around here, the usual 60-70 points. One, the breakdown would have been like this. Maybe after this area, I would have taken trade. So this is what I expected. The first trade was. I mean, my first setup was, and it didn't happen. The gap didn't fill. It just went in the lowest of 1 minute. If you see, this was the lowest today's low. It just took support and went all the way. So my second setup was this. Maybe after this what resistance broke, I could have taken after retracement. I could have taken somewhere here. This is what I expected. It fall, but it didn't fell like much, and it was full bullish. You can see, and then it gave breakdown, but I didn't take trade here. So this is how Bank Nifty was looking. So this was my first trade. It didn't happen. Second trade, it also didn't meet the as our setup. So what I just moved to Nifty. Let me see how Nifty was. So Nifty opened a gap up, and the gap got filled with nicely within like 15 minutes. So you can see Nifty opened a gap up, and this gap got filled smoothly. So what I did is also Nifty made a new high. No, Nifty didn't made Nifty made new high. I just marked this high, today's high. So this level. How we found out head and shoulder pattern here. You see left shoulder, head. Oh, that's a bad drawing. So if you see left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. On this level, I took trade, expecting it to go like this, maybe. After taking this has been the highest, so it might take resistance and can go higher. That's what I expected. And the second thing was there also been a nice retracements level. So if I just go back and put retracement at this level, so yeah, from the lowest to the high. So if you see, it took 0.2% retracement here. This is where I took trade, this level. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. I kept retracement at this level, this low. So if you see, it took retrace around this level, 0.2%. If you see, it went all the way down, but after this hitting, it was 0.23%. That's why I took the trade. Actually, this has been a nice thing. Just now I'm noticing it. If you see, it has clearly given 0.5% retracement. From here it was like nice bullishness. So now let's go back to our trade. So after seeing this, didn't break out actually, but it was like this candle was above like this, so I just took trade here, and then it didn't. It felt a bit, and then after this it went. So let me show this in future chart. So we took around 10.25. So yeah, this candle. After seeing this candle, first thing was the pattern, and second thing was it's like almost bullish. So first thing was a pattern, second thing was the bullishness in this trade. Also I was getting nice setup comparing bank nifty. So that's what today's trade is about. So I took around 10.25, and the trade went almost like hitting our stop loss. It just left like 2-3 points away from our stop loss. So I didn't, I just targeted our stop loss and kept as per the stop loss, meaning that today's, if there was no near resistance, right, it might, the only thing is it has to go up and make new highs. So what I did is I calculated my loss, which is 30 points. It 50 quantities, so 30 into 50,500, which is my usual stop loss. And from that, I just kept 30 points. I didn't uh, meet any resistance. I just kept on using this stop loss thing, and our target got it after that. And it slightly went pulled back. Well, there was also a quite pullback, but our target was hit. So we got escaped in this trap. Then I just draw a few trend lines to mark. So if you see here, we could have been taken trade. This was nice one, nice thing, like breakdown, I mean breakout, retracement, and nice move. We could have entered here. This is what this move was. This move was what I expected here, but it didn't. But fortunately, it didn't take our stop loss. I'm okay with that. So that's it, guys. Thanks.